Hello YouTubers, welcome back again. In last video we have created tables. In current video we are going to see how we can drop tables. Okay, let's just create another file, drop table dot py. Okay, I'm just going to copy my code because it is same for every lecture for creating connection and creating cursor object. Okay, now go. Let's just execute our query. Cursor dot execute, and the query is drop table and table name, your table name. So in last video we can see when we created user info, there was another table users was already there, right? So let's just drop that table name. Before dropping the table, let's just check, do we have that table still now or not? So cursor dot execute, show tables, and let's just use for loop to print all tables. For x in cursor, print x. Okay, now let's just execute our script. Python 3 drop table. Now you can see we got two tables, user and user info. So let's just drop our users table. Now we are going to execute the query to drop our table. Drop table users. Let's just execute. Now it got executed without any error. So yeah, it means uh, it was dropped. So let's just again check our outputs. Again, let's just execute show table query and let's check our output. Now we can see we got only one table. That means we have successfully dropped our table. So that's it from this video. We will see you again in another video. Thank you so much guys. Please keep watching and please subscribe the channel.